This is my Troy-Bilt Mustang XP zero-turn mower. Today I wanted to show you that I have a flat on my right side front caster tire. I mean, it's not even on the rim. So I bought a new tire for it, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove this front caster tire, best way to do it. So what we're going to do is you're going to need a 19mm box wrench and a 19mm socket. I'm going to use the big guns. This bolt's on here pretty tight. I'm going to put the wrench on one side and the impact on the other. There you go. So it's loose. And I'll finish taking it off with the smaller one. Alright. So I got that off. Now what you want to do is jack it up. Just to get it off the ground. Get you like a small hammer just to tap the bolt out. And on the opposite side, just pull the bolt out. And there you go. So that's the bolt that came out. And these are the washers. So make sure that you put these back on. It's one on one side and one on the other side. So it's two. Turn around this way. It's one here. Right here. So I'll pull the whole shaft out the middle of it. But this is the other washer. Put that up there. Alright, you see that? See how it's not even on the rim? It's not even on the rim. So we're going to replace this tire. Here's the new tire. The size of this tire is, let's see, 13 by 5.00-6. See if I can get a good close-up of it. Let's see. It's right here. I don't know if it's showing it well or not, but that's the actual size of the tire. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to remove this tire. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take you a flathead and you're going to go underneath the tire like this, and then there we go. Pull up on it like this. You're gonna hold that there. Go on this other side. Do the same thing. Try not to go too deep. The deeper you go with the screwdriver, the harder it is to get it up. Like that. Grab it on this side. Like that. Now it's kind of up, so we're going to turn it around. Alright, so we got one side off. And now what you're gonna do is this part right here, you're just gonna pull this out. Should just be able to pull it out. Grab it like this. There you go. Just pull it out. Okay. So the tire's out. That's the old tire. I even tried to plug this tire. It didn't work. It wouldn't seat. This part right here is just too dry rotted. Alright, to put the new one on, I just got me some soapy water. I'm gonna spray this side. Spray the rim. And move these out of the way. Lay the rim down and just push it on. The first side, you should be able to just push it on. At least I think you should be able to. Alright, I got some of it on. Guess I'm gonna have to use a screwdriver to get the rest of it on. Do it just like this. Flip it on the other side. I'll just hold that there. Get the rest of it. Alright, so we got one side in. Flip it back over. We're gonna have to do this side. This side is harder. Alright, so what you do is you push down on one side, and while you're pushing down on this side, you need somebody to hold this side down. So I'm gonna have someone help me right quick. For this part, you're gonna need somebody to step on the edge of the tire. While they have their foot down on the edge of the tire, you're gonna have to work the rest of the tire on. So you get your screwdriver or your flathead, pull your foot from this a little bit, put it like right here, because it's gonna pull that part under. Step on this part all the way over, some more, right there. Yep. And make sure when they're stepping on the tire, they're not stepping on the part that's going to go underneath the tire. You grab the back side of the rim, you start to push it on. Grab you another flathead. One. Two. All right, so we got the tire on all the way. Okay, now this tire is on. Now what you're gonna do is get the air compressor, stick it on, and blow the tire up. All right, guys, so on this part, all you're gonna do is pump the tire up, and the tire should pop on the rim. Sometimes you gotta adjust the tire a little bit, but it should just pop on the rim. Let's see. Yep. It's on the rim. Alright guys, so we got the tire on the rim, and what we're going to do is put the tire on. Alright, so you do want to make sure that the valve stem is on the outside. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put this, make sure, back through. Right back through. Okay, go on the other side. Put this one back on. So we have one on this side, one on that side. Then what we're gonna do is slide the tire back in between. Grab your bolt. Bolt always goes from the outside in, all the way through. Get your nut. Put your nut on. Like that. Get your 19mm. Outside. Put your bolt on the outside. Lift up on it. There you go. So we got this tire on, and we still got the old tire on. And all we have to do is pump up the two back tires and the left side front caster. This is JOATD, and I'm out.